What's going on, guys? Welcome back into Broad Street Breaks. How's everybody doing tonight? We are gonna run some mail. We're gonna run some mail for sure. And then after that, I'm gonna show you something cool that just came in the mail as well. Didn't purchase this one though. But this is gonna be a live opening. I will be just as surprised as you guys are when I see them. Of course, I obviously will know once I see them what they are, but for right now, I really don't know. So we got 4 packs to start it off. And then after that, I'm going to show you something that I've already opened up. I should have made the video earlier this week, but never got around to it. So here we go. Oh, sorry guys. That was rough. Alright, here we go. Oh, this came quick. Okay. So what not purchase? I'm going to let you guys think about how much you would have paid for it before I go ahead and tell you how much I paid. Oh, great. Another one of those super packages. All right. Let's get to this. Let's get to the point here, guys. Huh. Completely forgot what I got from him. If you're familiar with Whatnot, you'll know that it's really, really annoying to like individually list each sale. So it'll just, if it's a singles auction or lot auction that night, it'll just say like lot 1, 2, or 3. So that's where this stands. And this one was pretty thick. Let's see where you guys would price it at. Leave a comment below. Of course, if you're not a Phillies fan, you wouldn't pay $1 for it, probably, because this will be a Phillies heavy lot. If not all Phillies. And he must not have been a Phillies fan either, because he does not have sleeves up. Even on the Balm rookie Mojo Prism, or Mojo Refractor. Oh, those are not my sleeves. All right. First things first, Alec Baum Mojo Refractor. All right, then we got a Nick Maton Topps Chrome, an Alec Baum Prospect, a Bryson Stott draft card, Baum Topps Chrome with the rookie debut date and the Topps Cup in that mean-ass look. Bryce Harper 35th anniversary paper. Carson Ragsdale. Honestly, didn't know enough about him. Let's pull up the top 100 for the Phillies. All right, I'm gonna pull you guys up here real quick. Years and chapter and Yankee in that series, and as a player's perspective, we took time to give him the space he needed. It was all about him. It was all about what he needed to get. Let's find out if he's on that Phillies top 30 prospect list. Whatever you need, you let us know when you're ready to go. But top 100, whatever it is. So it's really cool to be Ragsdale. Game, but as more of a spectator. But Joe, this game matters for the Blue Jays, and this isn't just all about Aaron Judge. This is about the Blue Jays trying to win a baseball. I don't see him. There's another Segura, though. Is that relation to the Segura that currently is raking for the Phillies?
Mick Abel and Andrew Painter, number 1 and number 2. Stick around, guys. If you like those two prospects, stick around for sure. All right, so Carson Ragsdale. We couldn't find him up there on the first. We got a Youth Impact Aaron Nola Chrome. Topps Chrome. I'm going to bring you guys in here real quick. So that catches you. Boom. Luke Williams, no longer a Philly. Nick Maton, rookie. Reese Hoskins, rookie. Simon Muzziotti first. Matt Vierling, rookie. Stott, Bowman Best. Yoshua Garcia, first chrome. Brandon Marsh, purple. I forget the purple green, something like that. I forget the exact name of it. Super cool looking card. Before the beard. Then a JT Realmuto, Topps Heritage, refractor. Not numbered, unfortunately. JT Realmuto, Bowman's Best. Spencer Howard, no longer a Phil. Yoshua Garcia, Bowman 3D. Nick Castellanos, rookie card. Zach Wheeler, Future Stars. Noah Syndergaard, Bowman 70. Rocking the suit. Pretty cool. Alec Bohm, Timeless Treasures, rookie card. Castellanos. Purple frame, numbered to 250. Definitely hasn't been taken too good care of. That's for sure. Boom. Pro debut. Marsh, Generation Now. Matt Vierling, Topps Heritage rookie card. That's sweet. Brogdon, rookie card. Dope. Add that to the PC. That's a new one. Reese Hoskins, Bowman Best. Also not sure if I have this one. So I'm definitely going to have to sleeve these up, but I'm not going to waste your guys' time doing that. Not the greatest at editing videos, so I wouldn't know how to get past that. Alright. On to the next package. Chapman and Vladdy. Oh boy, another thick boy. Okay, so guys, what do you think you would have paid for that last lot? The total price on that was $13, and we had, how many cards did we get? $30 cards, $13. Steal. All right. Is this a break now? I wouldn't know because it is labelless or receiptless. You know, always put the receipts in, guys. Always do that so I can understand where in the world this came from. Now, I have a feeling this came from the wax break, wax room breaks. So this was a big one. This was a whole case break that I got in on. It's not cheap, but let's see what we got. So this was a 12-box break, 12-box full case break on Whatnot with the wax room breaks. JT Realmuto, Topps Chrome. Alec Bohm, Topps Chrome. Wheeler, Topps Chrome. Wheeler. McCutcheon. Harper, Topps Chrome. Realmuto again. Wheeler again. Harper again. McCutcheon. Real Muto, Harper, Reese, Bohm, Bryce, Bryce,
There were no names on the back of the jerseys back then, but I'm being particular, obviously. It's the Yankees and the Blue Jays upcoming here on
McCutcheon, Bohm again, waste. Why would they throw Luke in a sleeve? He doesn't even play for the Phillies. But the rookie cards get sleeved up, I guess. Veerling, rookie chrome. Veerling, rookie chrome. Veerling, Williams. Lots of Veerlings. Luke Williams. Luke Williams, rookie. And there we go. Finally, insert. Alec Bohm. I forget what they're called, of course. I think it's a hollow. I believe it's a hollow. Not numbered, but still a really cool card. Put this up here.
Man, these pants are perfect. They're comfortable, stretchy, versatile. I want to be as perfect as these pants.
All right. Wheeler, I guess this is a refractor, not numbered. Zach Wheeler refractor. Reese Hoskins refractor, not numbered. JT Realmuto refractor, also not numbered. And then the, I think it's the hollow optic, Andrew McCutcheon. And wow, Heart of the City, Bryce Harper. I did not know that I hit that. Wow. That is freaking gorgeous. I mean, of course, out of a whole case break, I only get one. A whole case. They just do not give Phillies love. I saw dudes with stacks this high with their cards of single teams. But you win some, you lose some. And I'm always going for Phillies, so it was worth it. All right, moving on. Wow, that's a lot of cards to sleeve up. Whew. That's going to be a lot of sleeves for my Phillies cards there.
Home is living in a building with.
All right. Just shuffle through these real quick. This is just different mail with over the past couple days. This was a little bit of a dilemma. This 4-card Aaron Nola lot. I actually purchased a 3-card Aaron Nola lot, one including this rookie card, this first, and then followed by a first chrome. And instead he gave me 2 of these, one of these inserts from that year, and the rookie. So I contacted him, and the kid was actually really easy to work with. He ended up just, instead of finding a way to send it back to him, which I would have been fine with, he's just going to send me the other lot of cards and try to refund the person that was supposed to get these, apparently. We'll see how it goes. I still haven't gotten the cards in my hands yet, but so far so good. It seems like he's going to be pretty cool to work with. So, little Aaron Nola lot there. Andres Jimenez, purple rated rookie. This guy's an absolute animal right now. Had to snag that. Andre Dawson came along in the lot. So did the Rose Arena. So did the Carlos Santana. Just very, very random. But yeah, that was a little snag on whatnot. Should have got a little bit more. But this was actually in a break. I hit this out of a break for Jose Ramirez, number to 149, Absolute Baseball. This was part of that single. This was an eBay purchase. Had to grab it. 2 legends, 1 card, and one of them happens to be one of the greatest defensive players in all time, Chuck Panera. This was in that lot, very random, but I actually checked the value on eBay. It looks like I might be able to get $10 back for me on this. Unless somebody else on here is interested, let me know. I'll give you a deal. $8 on the Mace window. Samuel L. Jackson. Just a second, guys. All right, we'll finish it off with the 2 Kenny Pickett. This was a separate auction, and I got into it, and this is part of the old, the first baseball lot back there, along with that random Mace window. Alright, so on to the next one.
Tonight, the Yankees and Blue Jays, and then the Orioles taking on the Red Sox. So a victory by the Blue Jays, and they could increase
Okay, so
their lead on the Rays and the Mariners in a wild card fight. The Central and
I got into a 3-box break and it was very random. It was a Leaf, a Topps Platinum, and a Topps Platinum baseball, a Leaf baseball, and a football select box. Nothing crazy, but I ended up getting Philly and Atlanta. Didn't hit much on the Atlanta baseball cards. I hit nice Philly cards, but I didn't keep those all. I kept only the big bangers. The rest of them I put all into organized them all back into the PC. But here we go. I kept these hanging around. I hit a Calvin Ridley, which I thought was super cool to keep around on the PC. I'm going to definitely keep that. Got the Jalen Hurts. Thought I was going to have a rookie label down here, but I'm a year off. And then we got the Reese Hoskins speckled foil board. And then boom. In one break, I hit myself. Finally hit myself. A quality Philadelphia autograph. Mick Abel. We're not going to go that far in. We're going to pull you guys down a little bit here. Mick Abel. And the Mick Abel is numbered to 25. Boom. Big hit. Blue, sapphire, cracked ice refractor, whatever you want to call it. Not only did I hit that in the same break, followed by 2 cards later in the same pack, we had the Andrew Painter. Andrew Painter, silver Leaf Pro Set rookie card, numbered to 8. Unbelievable. I couldn't have been any happier. And yeah, so now these guys are stuck in the PC. It's otherwise noted. So I thought that was really, really cool. You know, not bad. A lot of Phillies cards. A couple randoms, but just some things I definitely wanted to add to the PC.
Everyone and everything is connected.
All right. Last but not least, guys. Oh, no, sorry. Still 2 more packages. I mailed it. Before I hit you with the... I got a little excited there. These were sitting under the receipt. How am I going to get this one?
The fully electric Audi e-tron family is
His 4th start this year against the Blue Jays as he opens this
All right. So before we move on to the banger... Thank gosh, this is that deep in there. Alright, this is a whatnot sale from Black Tie Bangers. And it looks like I got myself into a break here that didn't do me too well.
Two-homer day for George Springer. Home run 22 the 3rd inning, number 23 here in the 5th. What an afternoon he put it together for the Blue Jays. This man looks awfully comfortable at the plate.
Here we go. DeAndre Hopkins die cut. That's not bad. That's pretty cool. Rondell Moore rookie card. And Kyler Murray Optic. Definitely didn't hit anything big in that one. Oof. No receipt in that one either, so I can't tell what the damage was. Look at that. Look how ugly that is.
I mean, one that was huge. You know, obviously it's a
Panini rags.
after having a tough, first 2 games there. It's big for us. Obviously, you want to have a lead. You want to be able to control your own destiny. And as of right now, it's in our hands.
We have 63 postseason games.
And the Rondell rookie card, I guess I'll see what.
Inexperienced guys.
I mean, the DeAndre Hopkins die cut is pretty cool.
Meaningful games in September and possibly in October. What do you tell them about the environment, about playing
Just
this game on different
not the right time. All right, last pack. Last mail pack.
You want to enjoy the moment, have fun. I mean, this is what you envision in spring
What is this? None of these better be squeezing my card.
Well, I think one, everybody's got to be going the same direction. I think everybody, you know, at least on
Oh,
the team
what's going on here?
was pulling
What
same
the?
direction. You know, it wasn't about stats. It wasn't
I
about
want to give you that I
what
didn't
you could do in the moment.
know about,
You move on and
or
pass the baton on to the next guy.
high
So,
bid
you know, if I didn't get the
for.
job done,
No,
I have
couldn't have been high bid for a pack. There'd be cards in here.
do it. He has faith
I
in
want to give you, and I didn't even know about it.
I know a lot of people
Sometimes I do tend to fall asleep
all that, but
in a break that I'm in.
stats don't matter.
Looks like that time I must have just hit the giveaway button.
Say that, and the teams that have fun, the teams that kind of enjoy each
That's
other,
awesome.
don't get too high.
Guys, I've been searching long and far for optic boxes, and it's about to hit a fix just hitting, being able to open this, dude. This is awesome. This is really exciting, guys. Like, wow. Like, wow. I thought I saved the best for last. Maybe I did not. Come on, guys. What are we feeling? She's thin, but they all are. We need something big here. I opened up enough to know that one pack can change it all. One pack can change it all, guys. What are we thinking? Drop some comments. Who do you think will be in here? I still got one more thing to show you guys before we split. And then my next video that I'm going to make that I want you guys to tune in for sure is going to be my PC highlights. Now, not just from the Phillies. I'm talking every single, all 30 teams in the MLB. I'm going to show you every single, you know, big card I have from their teams. I cannot believe that we just got an optic pack for a giveaway. Guys, the reason I'm freaking out is I don't know if it's just my area, but I can't even get a box of these from Walmart or Target. Like, I go on like eBay and they're like 4 times, 5 times the price for a blaster box. Completely ridiculous. But this right here is about to be huge. I'm really excited to do this right now. So let's get started. Let's get the ripping. I guess when he asked rip it or ship it, I wasn't there to answer. Normally, Whatnot won't let you do that. They will make you actually go through with being in the room, but I most likely knew the guy, so he was just probably like, oh, I'm giving it to Alfonso. So let's get it, guys. Whew. Whew. All right, here we go. Wish me luck. We got one upside down already. All right, we're starting off hot. Starting off hot with a JJ. I see. Okay, I see a little color in here, guys. No color, but definitely some type of an insert. We got the Justin Jefferson Vikings. We got the DK Metcalf. Okay. DK Metcalf. And then who we have here for the insert? Well, we're going to pull from the back first. The rated rookie, Sam Ellinger. Kind of a waste. And then we've got, who do we have here for an insert? Come on, guys. We need something big. It's gold. Could it be? A little Najee Harris action. Gold refractor. Or a silver refractor. Oh, it's Big Ben. Oh, man. No Najee. Big Ben. Big Ben refractor. Not bad. Not bad pack. I'll take the Justin Jefferson. I'll take it. Let's see these guys up. Can't complain about a free pack, you know what I mean? Cannot complain.
So we'll see. The Blue Jays' magic number to get in is 4. And that guy would certainly like
Let's leave the DK. Let's leave the Ellinger because it's a rated rookie. Man, I'm trying to get my hands on some more optic. It's football season, guys. I love myself some baseball, but fantasy's over. I'm not going to have my head in all these minor league stats. Football is here. Alright, and finally, like I said before, last but not least. Oh, shit. Last but not least, I don't think you could have saw anything from that. No, you actually can only see. It finally came, guys. For those of you who have been following along, which is not many of you, unfortunately. Not yet. Let's see. I'm optimistic for the future here, but... So, this is what you call a call your shot home run challenge winner. Manny Machado was my card that I got. Now, I've already opened this up, so this isn't how it normally is, but normally you wouldn't be able to see the card like that, presentation-wise. But I flipped it up front, numbered out of 364. I don't know how the numbering exactly works, because if there's more than 364 people that call the shot correctly, like, what do you start doing at that point? Now, I saved in the back. Put this over here. I saved in the back the pick your game card that I used. And I wrote the dub on it the moment that I knew it won. Super cool. Yeah, definitely wanted to share that with you guys. I was really excited to get that. If you guys have ever won one before, won a past year's edition, if you can possibly leave a picture of it in the comments below, that'd be really cool. If this is your first time seeing one like me, and glad you got to check it out here. Other than that, guys, that'll be it. Definitely tune in for my next video that I'm going to drop. It's going to be, I think, a really cool video of some of the cards that I collected over this year. Nothing really old, nothing old school, just going to be, I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. So, right here is where I keep my non-Phillies PCs. And there's quite a lot of them. What can we do as a little sneak peek preview? We've got a Wander Franco rated rookie Mojo type refractor. So that's just a little taste of what's to come. Definitely check back in for the next video, guys. Thanks for checking in. Like I said, I appreciate you guys coming by. I'm trying to grow the channel, not just here on YouTube, but we have a page on Whatnot called Liberty Bell Breaks. A little different from the username here on Broad Street Breaks, but you can also find me on Instagram at Broad Street Breaks, underscores in between everything instead of spaces. All right, guys, thanks so much. I'll see you guys again.